patches when my family itches. B-rock scratches, whacking with the booms the paramedics can't patch in. Spread his body parts all over Manhattan. So the president's forces and all his G-men can't put that motherfucker back together again. And if nobody snitch, I know we be rich.
Just how rich?
So rich that nature born be the itch. And then we go to war in the New York night and devastate the neighborhood when our crews collide. Meanwhile, inside the dishes like some cocaine fiends to broadcast the gangsters that be out in Queens. It's like any type of fame, and I know I won't eat OC jumpsuits, cause the charges is RICO. I can't even speak with my next of kin and incriminate them with the shit that I'm in.
Remember when it used to be about who you knew, and everybody seemed connected to the you know who. But now it's 6 or 7 cats that you calling your crew. Don't give a fuck about a thing, sunset, who knows you. Running through the Fed cells, social clubs in Queens, to cocaine, Cuisinarts, cooking crack for the fiends, to multi-milli, big Willie, oversee drug lords, moving out the platinum code and nature-born mic cords. No applause, we keep it raw, yet the crowd they still standing with their hands up in the sky like it's the money we demanding. Understanding something greater if you're catching my drift, like understanding that the world spins and twirls for the rich. It's a bitch, but the paper ain't no problem to grip. 35-page indictment, still reloading the clips. And while you busy bullshitting about your OT flips, we out in Queens taking money, son, and slapping your bitch.
If you only knew the things that we've been through in this life and time, it'll blow your mind, blow your mind. If you only knew the things that we've been through in this life and time, it'll blow your mind, blow your mind.
Punch you in your face out clubbing at the bar and tell my little brother get the stole from the car. Stick 'em like Poxy and the shit that knocks me. Dead men telling tales at the autopsy. Jake want me upstate to this date. I ain't snoring, only time I'm upstate, dogs, is when I'm snowboarding. And fuck Goodfellas, still waiting for the flick that depicts all the derelicts deep in my clique. Prime time, big time, man, it ain't for me. Till I can lobby governments outside my country. Diplomatic status in big casinos. Armed bodyguards everywhere my baby Breeze goes.
Now the FBI files, sitting council racketeering up in Club Fed macking on the street scenes. All we hear about the whistleblowers, snitches, stool pigeons, and rats. They backed by federal funds, son, the thickest of stacks out in Queens. Cats is known for taking bats to kneecaps, breaking backs. Believe that if I was you, I'd leave that.
And if you only knew the things that we've been through in this life and time, it'll blow your mind, blow